Also take the opportunity to learn these in your science subject as well, as that will also help to put you in good stead by year 11. Topic 3, geometry and measures. Why? This is one of the topics that students get thrown off by the most in maths. Now, most year 11 topics would assume you've already mastered the basics of geometry. However, the great news is that things like angles and triangles, polygons, and parallel lines are frequent exam staples. They show up very frequently in exams, and they are relatively easy to score well on. So as long as you remember the rules, if you know this, then it's going to help you to pick up those extra marks in exams. So for geometry and measures, what do you need to focus on now? You need to focus on, number 1, memorizing and applying area formulas, triangles, rectangles, trapeziums, and circles. So those area formulas. You also need to focus on volume and surface area of cuboids, prisms, and cylinders. You should also focus on angles in triangles, polygons, and parallel lines. And finally, you need to be able to confidently convert between units. So for instance, from centimeter cube to meter cube as an example. This topic is so important because you need these when learning trigonometry, circle theorems, and 3D geometry in year 11 if you haven't done so already in year 10. And the students who don't master these basics now are going to struggle and to keep up later. Now, by mastering these basics and mastering the topic that trigonometry and geometry, which is the topic that students struggle with the most, it's going to help to give you confidence. If you're a parent watching this, it's going to help to give your child that confidence and make them exam ready by year 11. And that's going to carry into their revision, into their marks, and into their final exam. So this is a great thing to do, especially now in the summer where you're not doing a major hectic revision. You're just going back and just making sure you've got those foundations in place.